Hello guys and welcome back to the mood. Today we are the 26th of July 2021 and hopefully if you watched my video from yesterday where I was telling you that yesterday we saw that together, that we are into maybe the start of an euphoric period, and we went back, we looked at Bitcoin price in early November 2020 and we saw what were the first signs of that. And in fact, we are starting to see exactly the same kind of stuff. I was telling you, in this kind of situation, guys, you don't have the charts start meaning nothing. All the indicators start showing you wrong stuff. And you know that before and during all the previous months, I've been able, thanks to my technique, to predict nearly each and every kind of move, which is all these yellow lines you see here. So hopefully you will also subscribe to the channel because you don't want to miss that. But right now things are out of control, and whatever indicator shows us, price is going on the upside, which is great. We are all very happy this morning. So we are going to get into the details of that, and also we will have a quick look at Luna to make a new prediction over our favorite coin that I'm following since the beginning of this channel, guys. You know that. So without further ado, let's get into the title. And welcome back to the mood. I hope you are a subscriber of this channel, so you didn't miss the pump from yesterday. I told you in this kind of situation like we saw here yesterday, it was better to be long than short. I was long, I could enjoy this. Don't be jealous, it's just a game, it's just the way things are. We know that when things start feeling that way, that all indicators are completely bearish and price keep moving up, there is something bigger that is pushing the price up, and that's the kind of moment we want to catch, because if you're out of the market during that moment, you will really lose a lot. I mean, look at DOGE. DOGE was at 15% this morning, and that's beautiful, and I'm still in, guys. Whatever the indicator shows us, and the indicator shows us we are topping on Bitcoin. We even have a bearish divergence starting to show here. We are on the 4-hour. However, on Bitcoin, what we can see right now is that we have this huge wick here, huge green wick during the pump. And last time I saw that, that's very uncommon, very, very uncommon. And guys, last time I saw that, it was on Doge, and I really remember it perfectly. And you can watch my video, one of my earliest Doge video on this channel, where I was telling you basically, I think we were here, and I was telling you basically Doge is gonna go up, and I drew like a straight line up like that, and the next morning it really happened, and that was crazy. If you are a subscriber of this channel, you know that I did that at some point, and that's also when I'm starting really paying attention on Doge. And it was right here. We had a first pump, I think, up there, and a huge green candle on the VIX. And even if we were topping here after, we had this huge move up, guys. So I want to stay in whatever happens, because at that point, if euphoria catches up, you don't want to miss that move. And mainly it was motivated by a rumor of Amazon starting to accept Bitcoin before Christmas 2021. Still a rumor, but I think there are a few elements here and there that are starting to back up that rumor. I hope it's a real thing. I hope it's not sauces, you know, guys, these funny tweets we do where people say crazy stuff and then they don't even mention their sources. So it's a meme. Whatever happens today, I'm in. And if we look at the chart and at the indicators, they are all telling us we are topping. There is room left on the RSI, but we really breach all our levels. We breach all our resistance line. We are on the daily, guys, here, and we are coming back under that resistance line. I think it was broken, guys. I think it was broken, and there is not much to say about that. Let's go back on the 4-hour. And on the 4-hour, what we can see is that we are bouncing over that resistance line. So it's broken for me. It's fine. It's done. I don't think we will go back down there, even if Shandemo is telling us. And you see, guys, how yesterday I told you we have also resistance line on the Shandemo? Well, we bounced on it. And also we have that little green wick here on the VIX that I really like. And our MACD is wide open, guys. Wide open for more upside action. And I'm not going to pay attention on the RSI for that move. But know that we are very high. We are extremely high. And normally a high like this on the RSI should retrace. But look here, we were very high. And RSI reset on that trend line here. And you can see that price didn't went down much at that point. And then, so be very careful what you are trading. Pay a lot of attention over the market on a daily basis. Try to really evaluate what's happening and subscribe to the mood, because it's here we really guess where the market is going. Forget about the other channels. And if I really had to do a prediction, I have to mix at that point my own sentiment and what the indicator shows us. And it's very, very tricky. But I think if I want to be rational, I think we are ranging a little bit here. Let me have a look at the S&P. And the S&P went up, but start to show a bearish divergence. So maybe S&P is gonna go lower a little bit to here, but it's not much for Bitcoin. And that would totally validate that theory. But then, guys, I think we have a target set here around $44,000, guys, $44,000. So I don't want to draw it now because that would be fast, but this move was super fast. So let's see if we have a confirmation, anything about Tesla putting back Bitcoin over their balance sheet, and they already have it, sorry, over their payment system. It will totally help us climb even upper, but for now we just have speculation. Guys, we need to see. I'm long and I'm starting to think this move makes sense. So I'm gonna leave it here, and we'll see together tomorrow. If you subscribe, you'll be able to check this tomorrow with us. So now let's have a look at Luna. And Luna went to look for that resistance line, and I think on the daily it kind of touched it nearly. And we have exactly the same kind of configuration. These coins, guys, Luna, Matic, these coins that you see here on my top list, they are the best to trade right now. They are the riskless and the best. Ignore these free ones. They are an experiment of mine. But the rest, you can trust all these coins. They're not going to let you down if you are long. If price goes down at some point, they will catch up, so you won't be worried about your investment. But Luna, what we can see here is that we are topping. We have the same week, a little bit shorter over the VIX, and we retraced a little bit over the Shandemo, which gives us a little bit of more space to go up. And I think we might revisit a little bit lower this price area, but what Luna wants is to go back to $10.33. So hang in there. This day is gonna be probably full of surprise. Don't mind me if this analysis is how do you say, don't mind me if this analysis is underestimated regarding the price action, because we are super bullish, and at that point we can even go up there to the Fibonacci retracement at 12.70, guys. So that's gonna be it for today. Please really consider subscribing to the channel. Leave tons and tons of likes, because that's how we get these videos trending over YouTube, and that's how you help the channel grow. 3,000 subscribers. We want 4,000 subscribers. Also consider joining the channel down there. You can join it. I show you again, you can join it here. You have the button on under my video. Click join, and once we reach a certain amount, 10 subscribers, I'm gonna start to upload great content also there. specific VIP content. You have our Telegram group down there, also t.me/themood. And I think that's it. I think I told you everything I have to tell you today. Now let's stick our eyes on the market. But don't forget to have a life also. So guys, I see you tomorrow. And have an excellent day. And until then, bye bye.